Hello guys, it's me again, the CEO of Evident Academy. I'm back again. Having different sources of income is very important as a Nigerian. As you can see, I've been mining for some time now, and I've been able to withdraw a lot of USDT today, this morning, from my various accounts. And since then, I keep sending them to my Binance for withdrawals. You get. So having different source of income is very important as a Nigerian, as an African, and in fact anybody at all. It doesn't apply to just Nigerians, because imagine that you're a salary earner and you have to wait for 30 days for them to pay your salary, when you can earn at least $20 to $100 at the end of the day. It depends on the amount which you are using to invest in whatever investment that you are doing. Like today, I've been able to withdraw $4, $6, $4, $6, and all plus the ones I had before and many more. So I have $20 now. This $20 is like 20,000 naira. So having 20,000 naira every day is quite huge. Calculate it in a week and know how much you are getting in 7 days. You understand what that means. In 5 days is 100,000, then in 7 days is 140,000 naira. You see, so that's how people make money, and you don't run dry or go broke at the end of the day. So it's quite important that you earn money daily. So I'm going to convert my USDT to Naira first. That's how I usually do it whenever I want to withdraw. So I convert to Naira. So I'm coming to make my withdrawals as usual. You get. So converting 20, that will be 20,892. So go back home, then I'll just make my withdrawal. So these are just the money I've been able to acquire from the mining pool. So it's very easy for you to withdraw from the mining pool. The withdrawal is every day. It's not like you withdraw once in a week, or there's no days for withdrawal. Any day, anytime you can withdraw. For me, I love to make my withdrawals, especially in the morning. That's when I love to make my withdrawals. So I'm withdrawing this 20,700. So it's for the weekend. My weekend will be sweet and bright, and I don't even need to owe anybody or ask anybody for any dime. You understand me? So having different sources of income is very important. In this mining pool, I have my accounts that I am trading with, my different accounts. So it's very easy to start. I would add my referral code under this post, so that you can also be able to. I have $50 in this account. I also have other accounts which I'm trading with, which I was able to withdraw from today. $100, $200, $500 account, and many more. So it's very easy. So my withdrawals, I'm waiting for it to land in my bank account. So I'm waiting for the merchant to release the funds to me. So once the fund has been released, then I can go and jubilate and enjoy my weekend. So let's wait and see. So I think the guy has released the funds. I can't imagine myself making 20,000 naira every single morning, every single morning, every day, guys. So tell me, is this not smart? This is just smart, and this is just having information at the tip of your hands. You get. So it's very easy. The guy has released the money, 20,767. So let's confirm. Look at the money here, 20,767. Front shop Ajibola, for you to confirm. So this is how I just make money online every day. So I'll allow you to join me. So let's do this together, and also we can earn money and enjoy it together. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also check below for the referral link for you to start mining and also make money for yourself.